As a dedicated medical professional in California, your commitment to patient care is paramount, but navigating the requirements for certifications like pediatric and adult CPR and basic life support, while ensuring you meet stringent workplace safety standards, can be demanding. At Blue Ocean Safety, we understand. We're here to make your certification and recertification process seamless, efficient, and fully aligned with the expectations of California's healthcare environment. We offer comprehensive basic life support training, alongside specialized pediatric and adult CPR certifications, all designed to ensure you're not just skilled, but also compliant with the high standards your employers adhere to, often driven by OSHA requirements. Our courses, certified by the American Heart Association and AHA guidelines, are not just about checking a box. They're about empowering you with the latest evidence-based techniques. Our expert instructors provide hands-on, in-person training in focused groups, ensuring you master critical skills. You'll leave feeling completely prepared, knowing your certification helps your workplace meet crucial OSHA safety regulations. We offer flexible scheduling options, including blended learning formats that combine convenient online modules with essential in-person skills sessions. This means you can integrate your training into your busy life without compromising on quality or thoroughness, ensuring your recertification is always current and recognized. Invest in your professional growth and, more importantly, in your patients' lives. Choose Blue Ocean Safety for a certification experience that elevates your expertise and reinforces your confidence, ensuring you meet essential workplace safety compliance for California. Ready to enhance your life-saving skills and ensure your OSHA readiness? Visit the link below to explore our course schedules and secure your pediatric and adult CPR and BLS certification or recertification today.